was the name?
Jeremy.
Ready? Did you have that chicken burrito, 4-count mini hash brown, granola parfait, and orange juice?
Yep.
$17.27 is that total?
How much you say?
$17.27.
She's getting psycho. What do you think, Besser?
Is that for you? Here you go, sir. The last one.
Is there some extra Chick-fil-A sauce in there? Thank you, bud. Have a good one. Now that's the money, son.
Starbucks. Order whenever you're ready.
Yes, can I get a venti iced caramel latte with light ice, and can I get some cold foam on top, please?
So you just want like the latte with caramel syrup, or do you want a caramel macchiato?
No, I want an iced caramel latte.
Okay, just checking.
Yeah, and with cold foam on top, easy ice.
Alright, anything else?
I believe that's it. Dude, why is it always different? It's always different. I order the same damn thing every morning, and I get something different every fucking time. It's always some shit. Not yet, pisser. Just wait. Look at her looking. She's ready, son. She's like, give me that son of a gun. No, look at her. Look at her. Is this your pup cup, pisser?
$7.90.
Could I also get a pup cup, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Perfect. Thank you.
Oh, we're so cute.
Pisser, what's that? Is that your pup cup? Ooh, nummies. Hey, no. Side, dude. Woohoo, look what I just found. Now that right there is a $3,000 mini, son. God. No barking. Sheesh. Let's just put a pin on that. That's money, dude.
Why are you marking the donkeys? What's so special about it?
Well, I might just come back and see if I can, Jeremy Exotic can't slip on in there and take one of them home.
How much does one of those go for?
That spotted one will bring $3 grand. Down here, I can probably get it for about 600. Kill the birds, you gotta fly with the birds.
$0.13. Thank you.
Good morning.
Jeremy,
Good morning.
hey, are you over here by my South Farm?
No, sir. I'm further west.
Okay, I thought I saw it. I thought I was behind you over here.
Which
You
one
got
are you?
dog kennels?
Which one are you talking about? The South Farm.
Are you coming to a stop right now?
Yeah, I am.
You got some guy behind you?
Oh yeah, I do.
Yeah, that's me.
What you been up to?
Here, I'll pull over there and bullshit with you.
Well, let me pull over here out of the road, kinda. buck needs to hurry up and get over there. He might fight this little one.
This segment is sponsored by Browning, the best there is.
I don't know why we're taking all the bags. Might as well just unsack them here.
You guys been killing them back home or what?
Man, it's been rough. I mean, I'm starting to see more birds right now, but hell, we ended up going to northwest Kansas last week. But we found birds, but I mean, we were there the day before that cold front came through.
Yeah.
Well, sure as shit, come about. We saw a bunch of mallards going to feed, but then about 9:30, all the snows got up, and then you see every single bird starting to head south.
Yep.
You know how that shit runs.
Yep.
Come here, Tejas. Come on. Come on, Avery. All right.
Kill him!
Pepper here. Pepper here.
Stay patient, guys. We're trying to get him in here good. Kill him, guys, kill him! afternoon.
Kill him! Good group out front. There's a group on the right too, but kill him! Yes! Yes! Whenever you're ready, Ted.
This segment is sponsored by Fowler Outdoors. No excuses.
Two landed, guys. Two landed. Kill him!
That's a little better.
That a boy, Pat.
Here, here. Fetch it up, bang. Bang.
Get him! Kill him, guys! Kill him! Nice! Woo! That's it. That's a wrap, boys.
That dog.
Come over here.
Baby C. One solo real quick. Look at this dog.
Shithead.
You. Jake, what county we in?
How was it out there?
Pretty badass for first time.
Yeah?
Hell yeah.
You got any words?
Badass, man. You boys got your shit together. This is badass.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey.
Over the shoulder.
You. Oh.
These are yours. There's the tag blank.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, it was a bee.
Oh.
Got him, boys.
How was it out there?
Man, we had a hell of a shoot this morning. Badass.
Oh yeah.